My name is Abigail. Today my classmate got me something. It's a surprise. Her name is Chanyati. She gave me and then she wanted to give me a present. Okay, now you have to close your eye and then I'm gonna make it here. Close your eye. See, this is a Barbie doll. And then Chanyati bought this for me, my best friend. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Wow. Thank you, Chanyati. I hope you're watching this video. Ta-da-da-da! So, we got this. Now let's open it up. Whoa! See this? It's a Barbie doll, and then we can open it. We opened it up. We need warm water to put in here. You have to ask your mom or dad you have to ask your parents or your mom and dad to boil hot water so we can put it in here. And you have to put it like this high. And then we also, and even it's really hot, you cannot do it by yourself. Okay, let's first open the surprise. Let's take a look at the surprise. We can open now. We need scissors. Okay, back. Let's cut it off. Oh no. Okay, continue with this. Ta-da-da-da. She is super cool. There's different kinds of Barbie dolls you can do. Okay, now we're gonna open the blind bags. Let's open this one. We got a skirt. This is the coolest skirt I ever seen. Okay, now I think we can put this. We got pink shoes. Let's show the camera here. I forgot, even the skirt is a flower one. See this? Flower one. Okay, now let's open the rest. So, I think it is that. We're gonna get this girl, guys. See this, guys? We're gonna get her. See? Okay, now we can boil it. Let's put some hot water inside. Is this hot? Is this warm water? So, 5 minutes is done. The boiling water has been done from 5 minutes, but make sure, just a gentle reminder, no need boiling hot water, just warm water. Okay, now let's dip it inside. Da da da. Now let's put on the shoes. Here you go. Now let's put on another another shoes. Here you go. She's so pretty. Now let's put on the hat. I did it! Thank you so much, Creality. Here she is, just like the photo. She's really cool. And even I think I'm gonna name her Madeline. So she's really cool. She also has a llama shirt. And even like the review. Another surprise, you can color change her hair and the makeup. Let's do it. Done. Now we can head. Okay, never mind. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, there you go. There she is. I hope you like my unboxing video. I'll make even more toy reveals down the description down below. Get my merch from the link in the description down below. I hope you like my channel. See you next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.